this is my desk. So I'm going to be doing a desk tour. So right here I have my laptop, I have a MacBook, I have this really pretty pink case. I got this on Amazon. It's a vinyl case, so it's very smooth, and I like how it covers the sides of my laptop so this doesn't get dirty. I also got a protector. I got also this on Amazon. So as you can see, it removes and it keeps my keyboard clean and protected, especially since I'm going to be studying from home this semester and taking my classes this semester. And it's magnetic, it just closes. And then I have this keyboard case that I would use when I would travel that I got from Pink a while ago. I like to have folders because then I could put different things that are important. I could put assignments, syllabus, anything that I need. This is things to do later. So I put just assignments and things I need to do in the near future. And then I have a couple of other folders. I keep all my school stuff in here. Close them with clothespins just because I've had these for a little bit of a time and now they kind of stay open, so I close them with the clothespins. And then I bought these off of TJ Maxx. No, Home Goods. So I got this off Home Goods, and I made these little drawers because I just felt like it looked really unorganized when everything was out in the open. So I made these drawers out of little containers, and I have a stapler in here. Sorry, I'm trying to use one hand, so it's hard. I have a stapler in here. I have paper clips. Just little knickknacks. And then I put little ribbon to open them up. And then on top I have these little candle sets that I got at the dollar store. This little Eiffel Tower page I got from actually some clothing that I bought. I thought it was super cute, so I kept it. And then my sister got this little notepad for me when she went to New Orleans. Very cute, very Parisian. So I do love a Parisian theme, and it's turquoise with a little bit of pink, which is kind of the theme of my desk and my room in general. And then I found this container at Home Goods and I loved it. It's just little eyelashes, and I actually filled it up with rocks and succulents. So I am going to post a video about how I did that, but I love it. It just gives a little pop of green and just makes it cozy, and these are going to be my little buddies while I take classes online in my desk. I have some tape. This is a little speaker set that looks like a little dog, and this is actually a ruler. It says you're a possum. It's a little ruler on the back, and then it becomes like a little slap bracelet. This is my pencil holder, and I keep my calculator in here. So it's a zipper. I like to put my calculator in here. My pens and highlighters in here, and I used to take this to class, and it was just very convenient because I would zip it up and then put it in my backpack, and I had it everywhere I went. If I needed to study, I had all my writing utensils. And then here is a little notepad. I love getting notepads and planners at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. They have the most greatest supplies of them, so I like to keep a little to-do list, and I just fill it out as I go, and I keep that in the corner of my desk. I love these little containers. So they are plastic, clear plastic, acrylic. This one spins, but I just have it in the corner. But yeah, I can turn it if you want it. I put it in the corner. And I have all my pens and markers. It just keeps it organized, and I color coordinate the front to make it look more sleek. And then I have these little drawers. So this is for my planner. I have a bunch of little stamps that I like to use in my planner. And then I have some stamp pads, and sometimes I'll put little pens or little things or little nail files, little knickknacks in the front. And down here I have some I overstuff them. As you can tell, I have some washi tape, little post-its. That's my portable battery. I have a lot of washi tape, stickers, these little tabs that I could use in my textbook or notebook. I need to reorganize this, and then I have some markers and some little, no markers, glue. I have some glue sticks and some notepads in here, little markers, and these are my headphones, so if I need to tune in. But this is a little calendar with a little animal. I'm not sure what animal it is, maybe a cat. It has little ears, little whiskers. I got this, oh, it still has a tag. I got this, I think, at Home Goods as well. I love this little mailbox, and the little flap goes up and down. I got this at Joann's. My little pink dog for decoration. This is my planner. As I mentioned, TJ Maxx Home Goods has amazing planners, and I have like a notebook that I keep my most important notes. I have my charger back here hidden, and then I love this little piece. If you have a desk but don't have a lot of room for a lamp, I got this at Target. I know a lot of places have it. It's an LED light. It just clips on, so you could put it at the end of your table, move it around, and this is great for if you don't have a lot of space. I cannot imagine having a lamp in the corners. It would just take up too much space. This is seamless, and it's like super cute, and it matches. And then I have drawers with a lot of stuff from my planner, and I have a filing cube. I put a lot of my important documents in here that I need to order. I put my notebooks in here, sometimes my textbook. And this is just like a free-for-all, just a bunch of stuff that I put in here that I have to organize. The newest addition and favorite part of my desk is this amazing chair. It's so comfortable. It is like a velvet plush fabric. I got this at Home Goods TJ Maxx for this semester, so I need something comfortable since I will be taking my class here. I love this. It's so beautiful. It's very comfortable. I already tested it out. So that is my desk. Oh, and I have this planner. I got this also at Target. It did not come with this. I was a little bit creative, and it did have a little hole to put like a pin in, but instead I put this ribbon in and I hung it. Has something cute, and that's gonna keep me on track. This is my desk. I have a little filing cabinet that I will be moving once school starts, so it's not in the way. But this is it. I know it's a little bit overcharged and I have a lot of things, but I want to have easy access to it. But I love the way it looks. Little pops of colors. So thank you for watching my desk tour.